And ready na yung mga gamit namin. Let's go! Yay! We're trying to settling in. Tayo sa first stop natin, going to Sapa. Ito binili namin doon yung pang ng aming boss. Another bucket list unlock. And our view. In all fairness, ang lamig. Also check. Welcome to Sapa! Hey besties! Today marks our official day 2 here in Hanoi or in Vietnam. And right now, we are preparing para mag-check out guys kasi pupunta na tayo sa Sapa! So, it's currently 10:45? 10:53. So, may shuttle bus naman or shuttle van para i-pick up kami dito sa accommodation namin going to the sleeper bus. Mga 11 AM siguro kami i-pick up dito sa hotel. So, tapos na rin kami nag-breakfast, guys. Yung free breakfast namin, it's a 6 hours sleeper bus ride.
And we're gonna sleep in the sleeper bus.
We are so excited. Kasi Sapa, yan talaga parang, yan yung ano namin, main
course.
main course, main agenda sa Vietnam, char. Yan, ready na yung mga gamit namin. So, let's go. See you later sa sleeper train siguro. I know, sleeper bus. Bye. Check out na kami. Let's go. Bye, room. Thank you so much, Hanoi Traveler House, for the very nice room and very nice service. Let's go. Where's the key card? Let's go. Let's go! Ayan guys, oh, winter na yung outfit ko kasi malamig dun sa Sapa. Current situation namin. Ay! We will wait na lang sa shuttle bus namin dun sa lobby. Update guys, nasa lobby na kami. Ayan. Situation namin. Ayan. But apparently guys, 12:20 noon pa kami kukunin dito sa aming shuttle bus. Standby na lang muna kami dito sa lobby. We don't have any choice. Baka mag-lunch na lang muna siguro kami guys. Sayang guys. Sana nandun na lang kami sa room na tayo. Pero it's okay, it's okay. Nandito na tayo sa lobby. At least we are ready na talaga. Late nag-notify yung driver. Okay, thank you. Ayan guys, our shuttle bus is here already. Oh my God. Ayan guys, yay! Ito yung susundo sa inyo. Free naman siya, free shuttle car going sa sleeper bus. Ayan guys, nasa ano na kami, shuttle car. Ayan. So sobrang ano siya, less hassle. Sobrang convenient ng free shuttle bus. Nabook na namin ito siya via trip.com. Ayan guys, nakababa na kami sa shuttle car. So ayan, nandito na yung aming bus. Ayan siya, G8 Sapa Open Tour. So nabook na namin siya sa trip.com. Ayan. So yun guys, so need natin itanggal yung ating mga sapatos. So they will provide us lang plastic na doon ilagay yung ating shoes. A11 ang atuang chair. Ayan. Medyo mahirap guys. Okay, thank you baby. Ayan. Later na lang. Let's go. A11 tayo rin. So yung chair namin is A11. Wow. In all fairness, ang ganda. I think this one is for single. So baba pala tayo guys. Okay. Ayan guys, sa baba kami. So trying to settling in. Ow! Good for two yung cabin na kinuha namin. Pero parang mas maganda if nasa taas tayo. Or okay din yung nasa baba para hindi masyadong malipong ba? Saan mo bisa? Pag Tagalog.
Ito.
Malito. Ayun guys. Yay, we did it baby. Ito yung forma namin. Ayan o. So meron silang TV. So you can open and close this one. Ayan. May free water as well. Ayan siya. Then what else? Yung ano dito? For massage yata to. So here's the aircon. Yeah. We did it. Thank you Lord for another experience. And guys, we are so ready now. And
We're so ready now.
6 hours.
Ready now.
6 hours to 7 hours siguro na sleeper bus ride. And right now, medyo lipong na yung nafe-feel ko.
Ito.
Oh no. Matutulog na lang tayo guys. We will just sleep para hindi natin na-feel yung lipong. See you later. That's all guys. You can charge your phone here. Merong USB port. Ayan. Pwede tayo mag-charge dyan. And ewan ko kung ano to. So medyo okay naman yung space, no? Ano lang talaga, may mga bags kami dito, kaya may space na ano talaga. Para incline ng ano, chairs. Okay.
Ano sa bugat to?
You can open this one if you want view. Pero if ano, you want to sleep na, you can close lang this one. Ay, you can also turn this on. Lights para. Whoa! Sumirong sa amin dyan. Hi! Then you can watch movie, music. Ay, may headset pala dito guys. Oh, ayan. Yan, merong headset.
Pwede tayo mag-text.
You can also text here, Char. Ayan. Tingnan natin kung may kapitbahay tayo. Uy, wala tayong kapitbahay guys. Oh, punta kayo dyan. So guys, if you want to go sa Hanoi din, Hanoi to Sapa, you can also book this one. So far, okay naman yung ano, no? Bus upon sa pagsaka na mo. Okay. Nakanga, hindi nga vlog. What's good about G8 Sapa, Hanoi to Sapa na bus is ano siya guys, free shuttle pick up sa aming hotel sa Hanoi, tapos free shuttle din going sa hotel din doon sa Sapa. So pabalik namin after 4 nights, babalik tayo di pa sa Sapa to Hanoi. So ito din yung sasakyan namin. So same pa rin na merong mga free shuttle pick up sa hotel. Hey besties! Nandito na tayo sa first stop natin, going to Sapa. So we are currently here at, I don't know what's the name of this stop, pero tapos na kami nag-CR and bibili kami ng food siguro. Ito.
45.
45.
Market chocolate sir, egg cream.
Chocolate?
Yeah, chocolate.
Chocolate.
It's okay, mix.
Make okay.
By the way guys, ayan yung bus natin, oh. Kada lang sa ako eh. So bumili kami na yung parang ano guys, para siyang ano, Mushimanju. So far naman guys, ganda din yung experience natin. Guys, ganito yung forma ng terminal nila for stopover. Ayan. Ito yung binili namin. Para siyang Mushimanju, tapos yung isa is para siyang pancake. So ito yung sleepers na pinrovide nila sa amin guys. Ayan. Kasi bawal dalhin yung shoes. So, babalik na kami sa aming bus. So, isasauli natin yung ating sleepers. Yay! So, ganito yung forma ng aming bus. Wow. Hi guys! Ayan, nandito na ulit tayo sa bus. Ayan, kakain muna tayo ng mga binili natin. So, eto yung sa akin. Yung parang Muslim manju. So, yung flavor is yung parang chocolate tapos custard yata yung isa. May dalawang stopover siya, guys. So, ito yung pang first na stopover. So, nag-CR muna kami tapos bumili ng mga pagkain for snacks. Actually, sulit yung bus na sinasakyan namin. Asan sa free shuttle pick-up sa hotel. So yan guys, pwede nyo ding i-incline yung chair or yung higaan. Ayan. So far, ang ganda niya talaga, no? Another bucket list unlock. No? In all fairness. Siguro around 7 p.m. nasa Sapa na kami. So right now, it's currently 3:35 p.m. The best is, it's currently 5:17 p.m. And so far guys, nakatulog ako. Yung na-observe ko lang, no, is medyo sakit yung tiil. Kasi medyo puy-puy bitaw ang tiil. Kay igo kayo siya sa kuan. Try. Ano ba? Igo kayo. So medyo sakit. And look at our view. Ayan o, tingnan nyo. So nasa ano na tayo? Kabukiran na. Char. And look at my kasama. Hagba na hagba. Uy, weak man din siya di ay. Dali man din siya patugon di ay. Hindi ko kayang tanggapin. Hindi ko kayang tanggapin. Formal niya. Anyway, look at our view. So pretty, diba? So nice. You need to stretch na lang your tail from time to time. Hey besties, finally, we are already here. Ayan. Guys, in all fairness, ang lamig! Usok check tayo. Wala tayo buang ka rin. Usok check. Wala mo nag-give eh. I don't know if nakikita nyo guys. Ay.
Buto.
Ano ba ito? Kita mo sa video? Usok check. Magbuang. Sa mukha. Sasakay ulit tayo ng shuttle or ayan, going to the hotel. Nasa Pongnam na tayo. Ay! Ayan.
Yeah?
No.
This one and that one. This.
Ayan guys, we're here na sa hotel. Thank you. Thank you. Ayan. Check-in na tayo guys.
Give me chupan pop, please.
Okay.
What's the name, please?
Here. Here's our...
You book the name?
Yes. So, be at the hotel pa rin.
Quad room with mountain view.
Yes.
49.
409?
49. You say here 49.
Yes.
Total 49. Okay.
So, we'll be staying here 4 nights.
Okay. Thank you. The room you can pay when you check out. Okay.
How about now?
Now, you pay by cash or cash?
Card.
My card will check more 3%. Okay. When you send the message for me, you pay in my hotel. You pay when you check in.
When you check in?
You pay total 3,420,000. Okay, we check more 3%.
Okay, it's okay.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Total. Okay. So room you book 3,420,000. Okay, the 49 and 3%. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
3,520,000. Okay.
Thank you so much. So, tapos na rin tayo magbayad, guys.
So room you book the without breakfast. If you want breakfast, my hotel you can buy voucher later. Every
Okay.
day breakfast my hotel start 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Pay more 70,000 down 1%.
70,000? Not good.
1%.
Okay.
Tomorrow, if you want, you can check
Okay,
the
okay.
breakfast. Okay, you can
Okay,
book
thank you.
later.
Okay. Oh, okay, okay. Thank you.
Okay.
So guys, we are here pala sa, nag-check-in na namin noon, nasa 5th floor pala. So yung room namin sa 3rd floor, so which means, bababa tayo. Ayan. Current situation. Kaya pala nagtaka ako ba't may bababa. Nasa 5th floor pala tayo ngayon. Oo, kinatasan. So, sa amin is walang free breakfast. But, if gusto daw namin mag-free breakfast, mag-avail ng breakfast is mag-add lang ng 70,000 Vietnamese dong.
BNB.
Yay! Success! Tapos na kami magbayad. Pwede naman daw magbayad upon checkout, pero for our peace of mind, nagbayad na kami. Para wala nang, huhunain. Third floor. Let's go. So, may mountain view tayo, guys. Wow. Wait sa guys. Uy, piste. Wow. Welcome to Sapo. Finally. Oh my God, thank you. Hello. Okay guys, so mag-room tour tayo agad-agad para makapag-relax na tayo and all. Mag-room tour na tayo guys since medyo malinis pa yung room. So eto guys, that's the door. Ayan, so you'll put the keycard here. Tapos meron lang switch and everything. Tapos meron water heater. You can turn it on or off if ayaw nyo ng water heater. So yung air conditioner nila is with heater also. So you can turn it on or just turn it off if ayaw nyo. And then right after the door is eto, yung CR. So ayan siya. Hi, mirror! Ayan. So may sink dyan. Tapos ito yung door niya. And then look at the shower, guys. Oh, so pretty. Rainfall shower din. So meron sila, oh guys. Sa mukha, meron sila shower gel tsaka shampoo. And then, dito is yung toilet. Nasa labas, ayan. Then they provide us tissue. And meron cabinet dito, guys. Ayan. Can store your things here. May ref dito. Ayan. So, merong prices dito. So, water is 10,000 Vietnamese dong. Yung water na 15,000. Then, yung soft drinks is 15,000. Uy! Wow! Barato ro. Then, they provide us sleepers as well, guys. Tingnan nyo. Yay! Finally, may sleepers. So, meron din silang payong over here. So, meron lang din. Parang suga. Ayan. So, we've stayed here at Phong Nam Hotel. So, meron TV dito, guys. Ayan. So, meron din dito outlet. So, you can also put your things over here. Oh. Ayan. So, they gave us complimentary drinks. Complimentary water, I mean. Then, meron din black tea. Ayan. Merong heater. So, this one is yung remote control. Ayan. And then, right after this one, dito is merong ganito. Hair dryer. Ayan. So, if medyo naiinitan pa kayo, you can turn the electric fan for more ventilation. And then another mirror. Yes. Ayan o. So, you can work here. Ayan. Pwede tayong mag-work dyan. And look at guys. Our bed. Taran! Diba ang lawak niya guys? Oh, tingnan niyo. Diba? Sobrang lawak niya guys. Oh my gosh. So, pang dalawang queen size yata to na bed. Then more outlet over there. Oh. And then tayong balcony. Ayan. So, mountain view tayo. So, let's compare that tomorrow. Pero right now, ito yung view natin. Ayan. So, we can chill here in the morning, guys. Oh, ayan, oh. Nice, di ba? Bongga bells. Pero ang lamig, so, i-close muna natin siya. Kasi sobrang lamig sa labas, guys. And then, another, dito, para mas private. You can close that one. So, tingnan nyo yung decoration niya, guys, oh. Sa room. Ayan, oh. No, mga kahoy bells. Yan, so ganito kalaki yung room namin. Yan. And I'm here. So, sinuot ko ulit yung outfit ko ng pants sa airport. So, baka mag-dinner muna kami, guys. And after that one, chill na. Explore ng konti sa city. Char. No way, mag-dinner lang. So, I guess I will end my video here, guys. Thank you so much for joining with us on our way to here in Vietnam. Pinakita ko sa inyo yung from Hanoi to Sapa na possible na pwede nyo gawin rin. And then, nabook pala namin yung, guys, yung G8 Sapa Tour sa trip.com. I will just put the link on the description box below, guys. So, you can check it. And I will also put the link on our hotel sa description box below. So, sa Agoda din namin siya nabili. Sa Agoda din namin siya na-book. And, pay at the hotel din yung setup niya. So, good for 4 nights tayo, guys. And, tingnan nyo, yung total lang is 8,133, guys. And that's good for 4 nights already. And, dalawa kami. So, half kami ng 8,000. So, that's 4,000. So, most likely, tag 1,000 lang kami per night. And, tingnan nyo yung room namin. Oh my gosh. Tapos, malapit lang pala siya sa city center ng Sapa. And, ipapakita ko sa inyo tomorrow morning yung view dito sa aming hotel. So, ayun lang guys. I will see you in my next vlog. Bye!